I'm sorry, ma'am. Your bird has been arrested.
Oh my gosh.
This scene and thousands like it are occurring with alarming frequency. Bird delinquency is one of America's fastest growing problems. Hello, I'm Thomas Gatto from the American Institute for Crime Prevention. Across the country, birds are going wild. How can you help? Spend time with your bird. Know their friends. Remember, birds of a feather flock together.
Bird delinquency. It's worth squawking about.
Wait a second.
Hello, hello!
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my stars.